Today we have a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is 17-year-old going over 100 miles per hour in stolen car, unalived family of 4. Wow.
Everybody in that car, I don't think is alive anymore.
Hey. Hurry. Drag him away.
On a normal evening, police responded after a crash unfolded at extreme speed, and what they found out next was shocking.
Everybody in that car, I don't think is alive anymore. He's breathing and the passenger's breathing.
All right. Did somebody call medics already?
I called 911.
You called 911? Sir. Sir, he's breathing. Okay.
She's barely holding on over there.
All right. Can you guys, okay, give some room, please?
Yeah.
I don't want to touch nobody until the medics gets here. Sir, can you hear me? Sir.
Okay. So where was this? I was in the silver Mazda. He was doing about 80 mile an hour.
Yeah,
on this road here. I saw the lights in red.
I was watching him. I was wondering if he was gonna cut.
Sir, can you hear me?
It's purposely.
Yeah, almost side by side.
I think he do it purposely. It's purposely. Because I think
Ma'am. Sir, don't try not to move, all right? Sir. Sir, stay still. Try not to move. Sir, try not to move, okay?
Wow. I can only imagine that impact.
All right, until the medics get here. Try not to move. Listen. Try not to move, all right? Wait for the medics to get here.
Did anybody see what happened?
I was following him. I had first-hand view.
All right, do you mind coming over here and tell me what happened? What happened?
We were heading northbound, I guess, as most it is on this road here.
Right.
Just left that light. I was doing about 65. He flew by me about 85, 80 to 90. The light turned red way back where the end of traffic is right there.
Right.
And he was still cruising at 90 with the light red all the way back at the end of that traffic. And sure enough, that car pulled right out exactly when he got to the intersection. That car there came out from that side street. He was going straight.
Gotcha.
He's at fault.
Police say the crash happened in a matter of seconds, with the SUV entering the intersection at extreme speed and giving others little chance to react. Investigators later confirmed the vehicle had been reported stolen, and toxicology results showed the driver was under the influence of an illegal cannabis substance at the time. The driver later identified to be 17-year-old Christopher.
Gray Mazda up there.
Right.
I'm here waiting at the light.
Right.
Light turns green. I pull out, and then it happened right behind me. I see this car flipping at that point. 5 seconds, 2 seconds after I cleared the intersection.
What's
Unbelievable.
All right. Do you guys mind just hanging out for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Let me check on these people. Casey, drag him away.
hurry.
Drag him away.
Hurry.
Wait, what happened?
What's going on? All right. Do you guys mind just hanging out for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Let me check on these people. Casey, drag him away.
Hurry.
Drag him away.
Hurry.
Casey, drag him away.
Is he? Okay. He's to the left in the back of the car. Okay. In the grass.
Drag him away.
Hurry.
Okay.
Hey, get away from the car. Get away from the car.
1 Bravo 9, 65, 76.
Unbelievable.
8353 for 835, number 304.
Do you want us to pull her back further? Yeah, let's pull her back a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're good. Good. Stop.
Wow.
Here, watch out, guys.
Get up. Take off.
There's 1-7 in that car. Hey, there's a witness. That's D1.
People in that car.
One of them 7. Passenger's 7. She's 7. No.
I mean, they done.
Yes, it's a 10. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. What happened was we initiated a traffic stop all the way back at North Lake and Beeline, and they fled from us, so we cut it off.
Can you see anybody exit this vehicle?
No, sir. We followed it down just to make sure that it was out of the area, and we walked right into
To
this.
the best of your knowledge, we're not looking for anybody.
No, sir.
All of our cameras were on.
I'm not questioning anybody here. I just want to know if we're looking for
No, sir.
Everybody's.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There's a third person in the back. There's a third in the back. Third in the back? Yes. Hey, go on the third one, put gloves on and see if you feel a pulse.
Over here.
On this one, there's a third one in the back. Lift this. No? Okay.
What? Oh my God! It's like that's gonna be a.
Looks like 7 here. There might be another 7 here.
Hey. Hello. Hey. Do me a favor. Clear the structure. Yep. Clear it for me. Hey. Want to wait?
Yes. Well, yeah, this one's awake, yeah. He's been moving. I've been telling him not to move too much.
Hey, clear it. Clear the structure. See what I have. Grab this collar too.
Well, he literally just ruined his life. 17 years old, ruined it, gone. You gonna wish you was unalive that once they hit you with these charges, boy. You gonna want to go up in that cell and just hang it up. Doop, find him. He gonna be. It's a wrap. It's a wrap on this. Your life is done. Done. You stole a car and for what? What? Like what? Like why? Is you just bored? Need something to do? Oh shoot! Hey bro, what you doing today? Oh, not much, man. Yo, I think I'm gonna go downtown, man. I'm gonna go steal me a car, and just I ain't really got nothing going on today. That's about it. Only thing on the agenda. Oh, okay. All right. I'll catch you when you get back. Yeah, bro. Just, make sure mom cook me something for dinner, man. Let me know what mom making, man. I'll be back. Go steal me a car today. Like, what? Make no sense, man. You go when they hit you with these charges, you gonna wish you was unalive, boy. You gonna be. They should have took me. You out of here. You're out of here. You're done.
And you might have to do the side out, or you can actually get him to the side.
He's been in and out of consciousness.
Yeah.
Yeah, the driver. Yeah.
On a 7.
Yeah, there is. There's one more in the passenger.
What about getting a unit up here by the
That's a 10, yeah. Yeah.
the driver?
He's the driver, yeah. The driver. That's the driver. The driver's alive, yeah.
Everybody else is cooked, but the driver. It's crazy.
There's two of them. There's a passenger, front seat passenger, and a rear seat. I believe so, yeah. Sorry, that one is gonna be trauma to the same areas, right?
Background.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Right now, they're just getting a driver over there. That guy's gonna drive.
No, they're injured. They won't be able to move. He's conscious and stuff. May have some broken bones, but that's about it. They just left, so I'm gonna follow.
Later, authorities arrested Christopher, who was charged with 4 counts of vehicular homicide, DUI manslaughter. Investigators say Christopher was driving a stolen SUV at more than 100 miles per hour when he ran a red light and collided with another vehicle, killing 4 people, including 2 teenage passengers in his car and a married couple in the other vehicle. Law enforcement determined Christopher was under the influence of an illegal form of cannabis at the time of the crash. Deputies also confirmed police had briefly attempted to stop the SUV earlier but discontinued the pursuit before the collision. The case remains one of the most severe examples cited by officials when warning about speed, impaired driving, and the irreversible consequences that can follow in just seconds.
Unbelievable. And that's how it works. Sometimes, you know, the man upstairs, he'll take everybody but the one that actually did it. Let him stay here and suffer. You stay and suffer the rest of your life. While the mother ones, you know what I mean? They out there on them heaven gates, man. You know? That's how it be sometime, you know? It's tough, man. That's tough. It's crazy. Everybody else is done, cooked. But the driver, the one who caused everything. Man. See, because I know if I get, man, if they, you know, if my time come, you know, and I gotta go touch them gates, man, I'm gonna be like, yo, what's good? Go see the fam, you know what I'm saying? Go see the, you know, people that done passed. Go see, you know, my great grandma and everything. Be like, yo, what's good? What you been doing up here, man? You know, yeah, this dude, you know, just imagine, right? Imagine, you know, your loved ones or maybe friends or whatever. that have passed and moved on. What you think they doing up there right now, man? They probably having a barbecue, chilling. You know what I mean? You think they getting ready to watch the Super Bowl? You know, sometimes I think about these things sometimes, man. You know, when your time will come and it's time for you to check out of here. You know, what happens? What happens in the next phase of life, you know? And you know, hey, just let me in there, man. Let me in there. Let me through them gates, man. I'm here. What's good? You know? But man, feel bad for those families. You know, I don't know what the two other kids' involvement were or whatever. But you know, their mom, you know, a kid should never have to bury, you know, I mean, a parent should never have to bury their child. You know, that's sad. That's a sad situation. It's supposed to be the other way around, you know? So definitely feel bad for all the families involved. You know, everybody lost somebody, you know, those kids is gone. The married couple, they gone. And, you know, the mom just lost her kid, you know, lost her kid to the system. 4 counts of vehicular homicide. Bye. You out of here. You next time we gonna see you is in a box. You know what I mean? Hey, sound messed up, but that's the reality, man. You're done. You're cooked. It's over with. It's over with. But yeah. Cops get a 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.